Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to share games on Steam. Firstly, open Steam. Click Steam again, then Settings, then Account. Make sure Steam Guard is enabled. Now, on your friend's PC, open Steam. Log into your Steam account, then go to Steam, then Settings. Click Family in the sidebar. Enable authorized library sharing on this device. A list of users who've logged into Steam on this PC will appear. Find your friend's account and turn on the share toggle next to their name. Once sharing is enabled, log out of your account. Have your friend log into their Steam account. They will now see and be able to play your shared games from their own account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Only one person can play a shared game at a time. If you start playing, it will kick your friend out of the game. And not all games are shareable, such as those requiring third-party accounts or subscriptions. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.